Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to get suppliers contact on 1688 without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then having opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, let's say for instance, this particular supplier right here, I need to get full details about them. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on the product link right here. So having clicked on the product link, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to the product checkouts and product detail page. So here we go. We have the product video, product picture, slide in and out to get details right here. Now, how do you have access to your contact details? First thing first, go ahead and make sure you click on here. This will allow you to visit their main store page. Now you are here. One of the contacts you can get here is that you can go ahead and get their full address contact. Go ahead and click on here. This will give you their full address contact. Click on that. Then you have their live address right here, which you can click on this icon right here. You can share this particular address contact to your sourcing agent offline in China, as the case may be. Let's go back to the home page right here. One more thing here is that you can easily get their phone contact right here. And for that, just go ahead and click on here. Once you click on here, it's going to activate and it show you phone contacts right here. You can get their phone number right here. You can add them up on WhatsApp or on WeChat. It's that simple. So basically, these are two ways by which you can get contact and connect with more supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to shop and ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.